Turn your head around.
What? It's the video?
Yep, turn it to the back. Turn around to the back. So I already put some braids in the back. I'm going to put these gold little beads on her hair. I actually did her hair on, what day was that, Aaliyah, that I did your hair?
The last Saturday.
Last Saturday. And today is Tuesday, and I wanted to freshen up her twist a little more. My braiding is not the best.
So don't blame it.
So that's not, we're not gonna really show that. Okay, put your head up. So this is what we're working with right now.
Popping those curls, baby. Popping those curls.
Popping those curls. So
Yeah, that's funny.
I'm just gonna retwist them.
Oh, I thought you were gonna put that in there.
No, you can hold this. I just have some oil. I don't know if this probably can't see it. Oh,
It's so light.
I know it's too light. There we go. So that's what we're using.
You need to turn off that light. My bad.
Put some oil on her hair. I'm going to do it style it in an updo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get up. Get it, Aaliyah.
Updo.
Yep, an updo. When I get finished with it.
You gonna make it go up?
I'm
scared about this. I don't got a good feeling about this, people.
Girl, this gonna look cute.
Comment down below. Cause I don't got a good feeling about updo. Please don't be no mohawk. Please don't be a mohawk.
Don't be what?
A mohawk.
Ain't gonna be no mohawk, girl. Ain't nothing wrong with a mohawk anyway.
To me, those mohawks look like, wow, yo, hey. I don't know what they be looking like. But they look like you got a beard on top of your head.
A who?
A beard on top of your head.
Aaliyah.
I'm just saying things I think. But mohawks not so good. Comment down below.
She don't like a mohawk, but she gonna be getting one pretty soon.
Well, you're making a mohawk?
Give me some of that oil. That's enough. Oh my god.
I didn't know.
I'm not making a mohawk right now.
But soon when I turn 8.
When you turn 8.
Yeah, cause I'm 7. Potty baby. Potty. We gonna potty. Well, we are gonna potty with some girls. My birthday. But everybody's gonna be there. They gonna be younger. 8, 4, 7.
Ain't nobody even talking to herself. I ain't said not one thing.
But I'm for real actually talking to you.
You talking to who?
You.
I ain't said not one thing.
I want the answer.
You want the answer about what?
Never mind.
Oh, okay.
What is 3, 4, 7, and 8? How's it like? I don't get it. How's it like? Y'all got different things.
So,
What's the birthday?
I'm not about to twist all this on camera. Let's do some more.
Because clearly it's going to take you an hour. People.
Hold that oil up. And hold.
You can't just like make it like clap your hands like they be doing in YouTube videos. Clap their hands and boom, they're done. can't do that. Or like 1 second, and then they're back. And they said they're gonna take an hour to get back.
Well, that's because they edit it. So once they edit it out, once I edit it, it'll be quicker.
So you're not gonna get all of this on there. But I know. I'm not gonna say it out loud. And the chicken and something. And what is your YouTube video called, Mommy?
It's gonna be styling your Aaliyah's hair.
No, but what is like every single video? Jasmine what?
Jasmine Natia. That's
Why?
my name. Cause that's my name.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be Jasmine Style. That would be a good one, cause makeup, styling, hair. That was funny when Miss Penny was like, she should have sent Autumn over here. You should have. Cause I would have been playing with Autumn. I miss Autumn. See my BFF. I'm back. Here's how my hair is so far. I don't know what she's doing.
Really, Aaliyah?
I was hungry and plus I'm sleepy.
Girl.
Girl, what? You can just add that part.
I can edit it out. What, the girl what?
I mean, no, the burp. I look so
You look so what?
cute. And I look so
You know. Oh, you're gonna be looking crazy.
light. I get it from my cousin. And make sure you make Chase and Poe go on there on this video. Shout out.
What is this?
What?
Oh, I'm looking at this.
Tell them to go on YouTube and find her video.
And find your video?
Uh-huh. Shout out to Pooh.
I'll make sure I tell them. After we finish.
I'm gonna listen to some music
Let me see.
while I'm taking a bath or a shower. You never know. Mommy, when I'm in a good mood, that's when I stand up sometimes and I wash up really good. Well, I wash up really good every day, but I wash up for a long time.
When you're in a good mood.
Like when I'm on board. I'm in a good mood today. Shout out to Hopkins.
I'll say that.
Say what? Ow! You just hit me in the eyeball.
Let me redo this side. And we're going to see what the finished results look like. A quick, pop the rubber band all the way up there. Trying to do a quick touch up so your hair can last.
For 100 weeks.
Nah, the end of this week.
That's gonna be easy. She gonna do my hair this weekend?
Probably so, yep.
Really? could just keep it like this if it still looks fresh. Just on my ugly.
If it still looks fresh.
Look, when I face that way, it looked like I'm bald. And I still got a little bit. On my hair. I hope Pooh see this. I'm famous.
Oh, this one is sticking up. I'm gonna have to make sure I tie it down tonight. Or you know what?
I'll rubber band it down.
Mm-hmm.
I love these ideas, people. Sometimes. Not all the time. Like when she don't agree with me on getting it.
Hold your head up.
Look at my new choker.
Okay, turn around to the side. Keep turning. Okay, turn back around to the front. That's it. It's gonna last. What you think? In the morning, it's gonna be flatter.
It looks so huge.
Are we finished?
Yeah.
You got anything to say?
Hit a like button if you like this video and you need some advice, some hairstyles for your kids.